Hi, this is Shazim from Shazim Creations. Today I'm going to share with you one-click magic cartoon vector painting effect Photoshop actions. So without any further ado, let's get started. At first, open your Photoshop software, then open your image. Which image do you want to apply cartoon vector painting effects Photoshop action? I choose these two images. Then click on the open. First, I will apply on this image. So now we need to do load the Photoshop actions. So go to the window menu, then click on the actions or hold press Alt and function 9 to open actions dialog box. Then click on this icon and click on the load actions. Here you can see cartoon vector painting Shazim Creations free Photoshop actions. These Photoshop actions I will provide for everyone full free. So go to this video description box, download this premium cartoon vector painting effect Photoshop actions. Select your downloaded action, then click on the load, and here you can see action comes here. Select the cartoon painting by Shazim. Select this action, then just easily one click on the play button to apply cartoon vector painting and see the magic, and it's automatically working, and it will automatically create cartoon vector painting effect. I set here camera presets dialog box for your choice. Select here vibrance and saturation. You can increase or decrease here vibrance and saturation levels. Just input here, then click on the OK, and see the magic. It's automatically create a cartoon vector painting effects. See the output of the image, see the before image and see the after image. This is beautiful looking. And now another photo example, just easy to use. Just select this Photoshop actions, then just one click on the play button. Increase or decrease vibrance and saturation level. See the output of the image. It's look like beautiful and dramatic looking cartoon vector painting effects. This is the before image and this is the after image, and have a look the output of the image. I hope you like this premium cartoon vector painting effects Photoshop action. I hope everybody like this cartoon vector painting effects Photoshop action. So if you like this Photoshop action, don't forget to share this video with a friend and like, comment in this video. How was it? I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to give us like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for any updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much for staying with me. See you next tutorial. Thank you.